Erie's Magnetics, world authority in advanced technology for magnetic, vibratory, and metal detection applications. From its world headquarters in Erie, Pennsylvania, Erie's Magnetics oversees 7 international manufacturing affiliates and hundreds of sales offices in major markets around the world. One of those is metalworking. Erie's permanent magnetic chip and parts conveyors provide a reliable, virtually maintenance-free means to move and elevate ferrous materials such as chips, turnings, small parts, and stampings. Magnets traveling inside the conveyor housing attract the material and move it along the conveying surface. The conveyor mechanism is completely enclosed. This self-contained design eliminates external moving parts that can jam, break, or endanger personnel. The housing contains lubricating oil through which the magnets pass. Powerful irium magnets, completely encased in non-magnetic stainless steel, are positioned perpendicular to the axis of the conveyor and supported between twin double-pitch chains with oversized rollers. The chains move within special steel tracks mounted on each side wall of the conveyor housing. The chains are driven by a top-mounted right-angle gear motor. Heavy-duty construction is used throughout all Erie's chip and parts conveyors. The slider plate is non-magnetic stainless or manganese steel that is self-cleaning and can harden with use. Ferrous parts or chips are attracted to the magnets through the slider plate. As the magnets move toward the discharge end of the conveyor, the material just travels along. At the discharge, the chain guide tracks move the magnets away from the underside of the slider plate, increasing the distance between the magnet and load. As this air gap increases, the magnetic pull is reduced and the material falls. Conveyors normally move material at speeds of 45 to 65 feet per minute. Motor size, generally ranging from 1/3 to 10 horsepower, is determined by the size of the conveyor and the weight and amount of material to be moved. Erie's magnetic chip and parts conveyors offer important benefits conventional units cannot. Because of their enclosed design, internal moving components are unaffected by chips, sludge, or abrasives. Erie's chip and parts conveyors can be designed with an integral quench tank, or the lower section can be made so that it can be submerged in a coolant sump or reservoir to ensure 100% removal of parts. The conveyor can be designed to help recapture the machining oil that drains off the chips or parts as they're conveyed, thereby extending the life of both water-soluble coolants and heavier cutting oils. Erie's conveyors are built to last, for the magnetic elements designed with irium will hold their strength for a lifetime. The Erie's chip and parts conveyor is supplied in a wide range of sizes and configurations. Conveyors can be mounted directly on boring mills or lathes to remove chips as they fall from the workpiece and convey them directly to tote boxes. They may also be located under a punch press or other equipment to remove chips, parts, or scrap. The Model 5 measures only 5 1/4 inches deep and is ideal for restricted, hard-to-reach areas under small machines, or where a relatively small volume of material is to be moved. For larger areas and greater volumes, the 8-inch deep Model 8 conveyor is recommended. The Model 11, 11 1/4 inches deep, provides the magnetic strength and large surface area to continuously remove large quantities of ferrous material. Here, a Model 11 is used to elevate steel fasteners from an Erie's vibratory feeder to the head end of a heat treat line. Where exceptionally large quantities of material are involved, the Model 20 is the answer. A wide variety of conveyor configurations is available for your application. Standard conveyors are furnished as straight horizontal units, or with an incline of up to 90 degrees. A super-strength SS version is available in each of the 4 standard models with large sweeping radii to convey long, difficult-to-handle scrap or parts. Erie's chip and parts conveyors can be supplied with options including side guides, support legs, rigidized or manganese steel slider plates, integral hoppers or tanks, demagnetizers, a fine iron discharge, vari-drive or SCR speed controls, and on-off controls. To determine which model Erie's chip and parts conveyor is right for your application, our factory-trained technicians begin by thoroughly testing your material in our technical center at Erie's World Headquarters or at one of our affiliate plants. Our design team takes pride in knowing that the conveyor they build for you today will work dependably and efficiently for years to come. Many installations utilizing Erie's conveyors are reliably working after 20 years of service. Easily installed and backed by the most experienced designers and manufacturers of magnetic conveyors in the world, Erie's permanent magnetic chip and parts conveyors are the solution to your conveying ferrous chips, turnings, small parts and stampings efficiently and economically. Contact us today and send a sample of your materials. Our designers are eager to help you with a magnetic conveying solution, available only from Erie's.